Hey guys, so after a month in Turkey, we're about to head to another country. We're not sure how long we're going to be gone for, probably 2 weeks, probably a month, probably 2 months. So we'll just keep in contact with our Airbnb host to see how things are here. But we want to show you this studio that we were in before we leave because we're about to head to the airport in like 5 minutes. So I'll do a quick tour. So here you have the front door when you come in, and it has a 3-lock system. It has this, and this, so really secured. To the side here, which is the right side when you walk in, we have somewhere to store our keys and we keep our mask there. Here we have the bathroom, but we'll go there afterwards. These are the stuff we're carrying with us, so our suitcase and backpacks, and this is how it looks. Darren just having some coffee before our taxi gets here. So the same Airbnb host of our first place in Istanbul. So I'll start over here in the kitchen section. We have 2 burners, a mini fridge which worked out perfectly. What you call this, baby? Electric kettle. An electric kettle, some storage, and then some counter space over here. And then here we have a vacuum cleaner and our armoire inside. Oh, Darren can open it for y'all. So she provided us with an iron and a hair dryer, which has a diffuser attachment, which is surprising. Colonia, so hand sanitizer, disinfectant, somewhere to hang your stuff, and down low we had extra toilet tissues. And on the other side we have these pillows came on the bed. Darren's gonna give away this sweater that he bought here, and so good amount of storage. Over here we have an ironing board and a drying rack. We have a television, AC, and a little workspace here, which was perfect for us. In this corner here, Darren's taking this. We have our 2 backpacking backpacks, and this is what we're leaving with her until we get back. So it just has a whole pack of toilet paper and then stuff we'll need like lotion and all of those, so we don't, and conditioner, extra mask, some spices, so we don't have to buy those again when we come back. And then over here is another window and the bed. So this is 2 singles pushed together. And we have duvets, pillows, all of that. We each have our own night side table. And these are the stuff we're also taking with us. So we're taking our French press and our fanny packs and stuff. And that's about it. I'll do one more pan and then I'll show you all the restroom. So from the door, you come in. Excuse me, honey. You have the bed, emergency exit over there, workstation, armoire, vacuum cleaner, and kitchen area. And right here is the bathroom. We've been here for 2 weeks, love. We've been here for like 2.5 weeks, so we've been using this. So we just have our dirty towels. The shower is pretty spacious. So that's the shower head. Some shampoo she provided. Over here, I won't turn on the light because it's pretty loud on this side, but this is where the sink area is, and then the toilet. So pretty spacious in here. This is a water heater, and then she provided us with a mop, with a brand new mop head and a bucket. So our taxi is here now, and we're about to head out to the airport. Say bye, love.
Bye, love.
Yeah, our Airbnb guest, our Airbnb host, she arranged a taxi to come for us at what time we needed him to come. So he's outside now, so we're gonna put on our shoes. Well, Darren's shoes are already on. I'm gonna put on my shoes and then we're about to head out. So we'll see y'all in Serbia. Merhaba. Merhaba. I love it. Okay. Merhaba. Teşekkürler.
See that?
Okay. Actually, I'm studying this language, so yeah, I will be able to talk with you maybe. I don't know when. Like several weeks ago, so right now
To ask how are you, what are you doing, how is
I
going
can say that this gives it.
So we're here at our hostel now, fair and square in Serbia, and we ordered pizza, and we got the 42 centimeters, which is 16 inches, and it has pepperoni, some peppers, cheese, mushroom, and ham. Oh, can't wait to get into this. Gonna eat this while we edit.